In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Workspace certification. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll need to navigate to the relevant website. So open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Cloud Certification page. You can easily find it by typing Google Cloud Certification into your search engine, or use the URL https://cloud.google.com/learn/certification. Once there, you'll land on a page filled with various learning and certification options offered by Google. This is your one-stop shop for all things related to Google Cloud and Workspace certifications, and it's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available, especially if you're considering multiple certifications. The next step is to click on the Start Learning button. This takes you to a dedicated learning portal where you can access a range of educational resources designed to help you prepare for the certification exams. This portal is a valuable resource as it provides courses that are specifically geared towards helping you understand the ins and outs of Google Workspace applications and tools. Here, you'll find courses that cover everything from basic skills to advanced functionalities. Once you've entered the learning portal, it's essential to consider your current knowledge level and choose courses that match your needs. If you're new to Google Workspace, start with the foundational courses. These will introduce you to the core applications like Gmail, Google Drive, and Docs, and teach you practical skills on how to use them effectively. For those already familiar with Google Workspace, you might want to dive straight into the more advanced courses that deal with productivity, optimization, and integration of Google Suite tools. While going through the courses, make sure to take notes and practice what you learn. This will not only help you retain the information, but also improve your proficiency. You have the flexibility to move at your own pace, so take your time to digest the material thoroughly. Remember, the goal is not just to get certified, but also to truly enhance your skills and knowledge. After you've completed the necessary coursework and feel confident in your abilities, it's time to register for the certification exam. Follow the instructions on the certification page for registration details. While the exam format and exact content can vary, it typically includes multiple choice questions that test your understanding of Google Workspace tools and their practical applications. In conclusion, getting your Google Workspace certification is a straightforward process that consists of accessing the learning portal, choosing the right courses for your skill level, and preparing thoroughly for the exam. By following these steps and dedicating some time to learning, you'll be well on your way to adding this valuable certification to your professional credentials. Good luck and happy learning!